Welcome to Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. NABARD partners with Online PSB Loans Limited to digitize Jan Suraksha schemes. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD) has teamed up with Online PSB Loans Limited to help more people in rural areas get access to financial services. They plan to make it easier for regional rural banks (RRBs) to enroll people in and process claims for the Jan Suraksha schemes through a new online platform called the Jan Suraksha portal. This move aims to close the financial gap in rural areas by giving these banks better digital tools. It will also help in supporting the Indian government's Digital India initiative for inclusive growth. RBI Governor urges banks to intensify efforts against mule accounts. In a meeting with top leaders of public and private banks, the RBI's Governor Shaktikanta Das asked them to do more to fight against mule accounts. Mule accounts are bank accounts used for illegal activities. He told them to increase efforts to educate and inform customers about digital frauds. Additionally, he stressed the importance of strong cybersecurity measures and careful management of risks from third-party services. Banks uncertain about TRAI mandate on digital consent. Banks are uncertain about a new rule from the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI). The rule requires them to get digital consent before sending any commercial messages. They have asked the government if they need consent even to share transaction details, which they are currently doing based on Reserve Bank of India's guidelines. This comes after the Finance Ministry instructed banks last month to start using the Digital Consent Acquisition (DCA) system and to follow TRAI's guidelines to reduce spam from unwanted commercial messages. In Budget 2024, savings interest up to Rs 25,000 may get tax exempt. The government is considering a proposal to increase the tax deductible amount on interest earned from savings account to Rs 25,000. Banks suggested this change in a recent meeting with Finance Ministry officials. This change may offer some relief to banks which want incentives to attract more deposits. A decision will be made closer to the budget announcement. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed this week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees 2 interviews with banks and NBFCs within 1 month of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Till then, take care.